Today what we're going to make is a Seitan curry. It's going to be packed full of plant-based goodness, okay? So let's go. So here's some of the ingredients we're going to be using. So this is Seitan from tofu. We have some frozen peas, a little bit of cornstarch and some soy sauce, 1 onion. We've got some turmeric. I'm using mild curry powder, but use whatever strength you'd like. I've got some garlic and ginger paste. If you don't have that, just use fresh garlic and fresh ginger or ginger powder, okay? I've got some extra virgin olive oil and I've also got some Himalayan salt. Use whatever salt you'd like, okay? So I'm sure you have this in the fridge anyway. Okay, so this is a really easy recipe. So this is the Seitan. It comes in a box like this from Tofu. This is actually a new product of theirs and I've only just tried it out myself and it's absolutely beautiful in a sandwich. So I decided to use the rest of it for the curry. So all you're doing with this is you're breaking it into strips, okay? So you're just, see it comes apart quite easily, okay? So that's your Seitan pieces, and the good thing about this particular brand, this particular Seitan, is that it already is flavored with herbs, so it has a kind of chicken flavor already. Now, whenever I make my own Seitan from scratch, obviously you need to add your own seasoning and herbs, but this one comes pre-seasoned and ready to go. So we're going to coat the Seitan in some corn flour. And just put a little bit of corn flour like that. As you can see, I like to use my hands. I like to use my hands for the food. So just get your hands in there. And there you go. Got it all coated. Now we're going to check on our sauce.